In SigmaMRP, I have 3 jobs. All of them are identical, and all of them have nested workspaces that look like this. So each job has quantity 5 of a single part, which takes up just a small portion of a sheet. In MRP, if I was to raise a purchase order against each of those jobs, it tells me to order, even though I only need 0.15 of a sheet, I can't order half a sheet, so it tells me to order 1 sheet. And then for the second job, the same thing. I only used 0.15 of a sheet, but because I can't order part of a sheet, it tells me to order a whole sheet. So if I was to do separate purchase orders for all 3 of these, it would tell me to order 3 sheets total, when I can actually fit all the parts onto a single sheet. So in our new Smart Purchasing button, we can now multi-select multiple jobs that haven't had purchase orders raised against them. Click OK. And then it'll calculate all of the jobs' material requirements. It says for all of the jobs combined, it takes me 0.45 of a sheet, so almost half a sheet. It calculates the separated quantity, so it just calculates the amount required for each job and separately, then adds them together. And then it also calculates the combined quantity and says if I had all of these were in a single purchase order, how much would I need? It says 1. And then there's a setting in the config that determines which one of these values is used when suggesting how much to order.